Hi, this is John Toberman from JAX Grease Research and Development, here today to talk to you about our product Halo-Guard FG-PM. Now, our Halo-Guard FG-PM is just like our MagnaPlate 1100 HDPM in the sense that it has the same matching calcium sulfonate thickener and NLGI grade. But Halo-Guard FG-PM is NSF H1 registered, making it suitable for lubrication in food manufacturing pellet mills. So Halo-Guard FG-PM is designed purely with components that are food grade approved for incidental food contact. Now this covers the calcium sulfonate thickener itself, the white base oil within the grease, and the additive system. The food grade Halo-Guard FG-PM still showcases the superb inherent performance we have talked about regarding calcium sulfonate thickeners with excellent anti-wear, corrosion resistance, and load carrying capabilities. Coupling the calcium sulfonate thickener with a higher base oil viscosity provides us with a grease that is designed for a heavy-duty environment, making Halo-Guard FG-PM the perfect product for your feed pellet mill needs. For more information regarding the Halo-Guard FG-PM grease, contact your JAX sales representative today.